Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about viburnum. This variety, common name is snowball. And you can see, has these beautiful balls. They turn white as they mature, but when they're immature, there's this beautiful soft green hue. To keep them alive the longest, remove quite a bit of the foliage because they're very thirsty. So if you remove the foliage, more of the water goes to the individual blooms. Then you want to go through and break the end. Give it a really jagged tear, and then even whittle, removing some of that bark and cutting up through the center with your knife. So what you're trying to do is expose as many of the capillaries as possible so that when you put it into water pre-mixed with flower food, it will drink well and last and last.